Sceptre monitors, while budget-friendly, can significantly benefit from proper calibration. Calibration ensures accurate color representation, which is crucial for tasks ranging from graphic design to gaming. Key parameters to consider include brightness, with a target of 120 to 140 candelas per square meter for office use. Contrast should ideally be set between 800 to 1 and 1000 to 1 for optimal display quality. Color temperature is another crucial setting, with 6500 Kelvin being the standard target. This represents daylight conditions and provides the most accurate color reproduction for general use. Gamma correction is set to 2.2 for Windows environments, ensuring proper brightness curve reproduction across different luminance levels. Newer Sceptre models increasingly support hardware calibration via USB connectivity. This allows direct communication with professional colorimeters for more precise adjustments than manual calibration alone. An important tip for accurate calibration is to disable dynamic contrast. This feature automatically adjusts contrast based on content, which interferes with consistent color reproduction and should be turned off during the calibration process. Understanding these fundamental calibration concepts provides the foundation for achieving accurate color reproduction on your Sceptre monitor, whether for professional work or enhanced gaming experiences. There are two main approaches to calibrating your Sceptre monitor. The first method is visual calibration, which uses your eyes to adjust settings based on test patterns. Visual calibration is accessible to everyone and costs nothing, but it relies on your perception and may not be as accurate as hardware-based methods. For more accurate results, hardware calibration uses specialized devices called colorimeters. Popular options include the X-Rite i1 Display Pro and Datacolor Spider X. The calibration process involves connecting the colorimeter to both your monitor and computer, then using the accompanying software to measure and automatically adjust your display settings. When calibrating, aim for sRGB coverage of 95 to 100%. This ensures your monitor can display the full range of colors used in web content and standard applications. If your monitor supports HDR content, create separate calibration profiles for both SDR and HDR viewing. This ensures optimal performance for different types of content. Regular recalibration is essential to maintain accuracy. For critical color work, recalibrate monthly. For general use, quarterly recalibration is sufficient. Remember, even budget monitors like Sceptre can achieve close to professional-grade calibration results with the right techniques and tools. The key is understanding your workflow needs and choosing the appropriate calibration method.